Today we're going to be creating our own farmhouse style nightstands. Yep, we're going to be creating these babies right here. We're going to take you step by step from cutting the wood to assembling the pieces to painting and staining, and you can really customize these to fit any decor that you have. So we went with a dark stain top and white bottoms, but you can really choose any color that you want. We're going to be including the cuts down below as well as some of the supplies that we use today, so you can start to create these on your own. If you are excited to make this, then please comment down below. And without further ado, let's get into the process.
All right, so today we're going to be making a nightstand, preferably two of them, obviously. So I went ahead and got a few pieces of wood from Home Depot. Miter box, awesome, it's always very helpful. I got a circular saw also, just in case we need that or if I want to maneuver things. We're going to go with the pocket hole jig and good old nail gun. You could obviously don't need nail gun, you could use just regular nails and hammers, screw, whatever. It's just easy, I like it. And then I will put the cut list for what we make below.
Cut, cut, cut.
Miss Danielle.
Yes.
Let's get the jig going.
So we're going to take this pocket hole jig and create pocket holes in it so that you don't see any of the screws. An easy tip here is to line up all the boards that you want to do the pocket holes in and just go straight across. Part 2, assembly. Okay.
All right, so I just screwed these together. So I just made these two. Check it out.
Again, Chris just lined up all the boards, created pocket holes on all of them, and then started to connect the long legs with the shorter side pieces, doing one side and then the other to stay consistent.
And now we're just gonna start assembling.
Okay.
So, same thing we did last time. Pop, the back, front, all this stuff.
Okay, cool.
So, my nail gun.
We're gonna bop bop with a nail gun.
Bop, bop, bop.
Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Not gonna lie, assembling with two people is a lot easier than one, so you'll probably want to get clamps if you're doing this solo. And we put the bottom pieces that go across about 3 inches up, so one board up, just to give it a nice look from the sides. We got most of the boxing shade. Now just for the cover. Before laying down the wood, we took a block of wood that was measured to size to make sure that the overhang was equal on all ends. And then Chris took a nail gun, putting 2 nails in each 1x4 on the top, so everything was down and perfect. And I followed up with an orbital sander, smoothing out all of the edges for the table. For the angled pieces, we did some jig pocket holes, and this way you won't see those either. We suggest laying your nightstand on a flat surface for this, like the ground or a table. And then once you're done, we wiped off the table to make sure that there was no dust or sawdust on it before my favorite step, which is staining and painting. To give the nice farmhouse glow, we gave it a dark Jacobine stain on the top and sides. It will also help protect it from any stains, which is nice. Made sure to get in all the crevices there just with a nice rag. And then I followed up with painting at the bottom a beautiful white by Behr. It's called A Bit of Sugar, and it's actually a color that we used in our house, but we had some left over, and I definitely suggest buying your own tub of this because it just went on so easily and had such great coverage. And voila, here are 2 farmhouse styled nightstands. If you liked these, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you decide to make them as well. Back to Home Depot. This is a perfect fit.
Goodbye.